Well guys, it's been a while since I've done a video for YouTube. I've been on spring break and everything and hanging out with family. So, this is part 2 and we're gonna be starting the next field of sugar beets. I got the big ol' header cart on this F350. Sorry again that this video is really late. Oh, okay, we're good. Yeah, I've just been on spring break, hanging out with family, all that stuff. And I've just been kind of a little lazy. I didn't want to do YouTube. Sorry for that. And if you guys haven't done so yet, please make sure to like and subscribe to Will Slack. And also, now, that was my watch, I'm sorry. And also to turn on those post notifications so you won't miss out on any more videos. Well, I mean, that's kind of what I've been saying, just without the post notification words. So I got the S670 and we're gonna hook up to the massive 45 footer. And the next video will be coming up very shortly, probably within a day or two. It's me doing sugar beets with a helper or two. Okay, I gotta make sure I'm doing this right. Gotta hook it up nice. Alright. Okay, let's get over here. Alright, electric. Okay, that's hooked up. And now the PTO. Gotta attach that there. The power takeoff. Alright. We're good to go. So, let's slowly back this thing out because sometimes this has a little trouble. And I also like that custom paint job on my header cart too. Wait a minute. Is that my roller? Oh, that's Travis. Oh, about time. Gee, usually he's back at the farm between 3 and 4 o'clock, but he's kind of late on this job. Okay, so we're full, and don't worry, I talked to the people who live here. They said I can drive on their property, just not too much though. Alright, so I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is just like in the last soybean harvest video, I'm just gonna be playing these like very short clips of like when I'm harvesting and then I unload and then I harvest and I unload again until the grain cart gets full and then I dump it in the truck. But I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'm gonna start over here. I'm sorry about if you hear that noise in the background. It's just these people who live down the street from me. I'm just gonna divide this into a section right now, or just like start from right here, I guess, make it nice and straight, something. So, I hope you guys enjoy the clips. I thought I had a grain cart clip, but I guess I didn't, so I just decided to harvest until I was full. And sorry if this video is kind of shorter somehow, but you know, sometimes I don't really like to post long videos, but it's alright. So I'm just gonna unload the soybeans in the truck here. I do like this new trailer. It is pretty good. Alright, so I'm actually going to go back to the clips now. Like, I'm gonna do more harvesting and unloading. Okay, I know this is bad timing right now, but I just wanted to get these soybeans to feed and grain because that's good. So the reason I'm hauling these soybeans not a full load right now is because I don't have much left, and I want to make sure there's enough room left in the trailer to get the rest of the soybeans out. Making some good money right now. Alright, so we got the truck back, and well, I just realized I'm burning daylight, so I actually am just gonna run the harvester the rest of the way. I'm gonna record when I'm harvesting my last bit of soybeans. So I hope that's fine with you guys, but I just want to get these soybeans done. Well, actually, I already finished up soybeans, but I'm just doing this video really late. Well, I already said what happened. Alright guys, so here's the last little bit of soybeans, and I wasn't joking. And we're done. And I'm lucky too, because I'm almost full in this combine. So I'm gonna unload these soybeans in the truck, and then I'm gonna detach the header, and then I'm gonna stop the video, and then I'm gonna get all the equipment home. So that's the rest of the agenda for this video, even though there's like a minute left. Alright, so okay, I better slow down here. Well, actually it's up there. Okay, so let's get this header card on the custom painted trailer. Oh, look at that. Should be in position now. Alright, this should be good right here. Okay. Oh, they put it in position for me. I like that feature. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, but that's gonna be it for today. I know this seemed kind of short, but I just wanted to get these done because I'm about to start the sugar beet video, well, tomorrow, because that's when the helper's gonna be back, and I gotta get this corn header out of here. And I just gotta say, I do like that header. It does a really nice job. It cuts it nice and short. I got a lot of rocks to pick though. So anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry again that this is really late. I already explained what happened. So thanks for watching.